Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. Today in this video we are going to be talking about a really amazing platform that I recently came across called as GRVT.io, also called as Gravity. So if you are interested in learning more about this exchange, then make sure to watch the video till the end, and let's get started with the video. If you are tired of choosing between ease of centralized exchange and the safety of DEX, you need to see this. Gravity, that is also called a GRVT, is a hybrid exchange built on ZK technology that lets you keep your keys while trading everything from Bitcoin to gold and even Tesla stock. So this exchange is an all-in-one platform which will be allowing you to trade crypto, stock as well as gold, and you can get started with this with literally like 5 seconds. You can sign up with your email or you can use your crypto wallet. This exchange is designed to pay you, that is from getting interest to growing what you have got, that is growing your capital. Gravity makes trading, investing and earning more effective. Your money will be always working on Gravity, which is something really cool. And also you can launch their web app right over website itself. Also you can download their mobile app, which is also available, which is also something really good. And here you get an exposure of 118 plus markets with $514 million of open interest with a 24-hour volume of $1.57 billion, which is something really phenomenal for a new exchanges. Here you will be earning 10% interest on your trading equity, that is across all your trading accounts including margin, that is earn 10% interest on your total trading equity, means you will be earning 10% interest on your total trading equity. And also using this interest that you have earned, you can use as a margin to trade even more. And the second is trade. Here you can trade your favorite crypto, buy and sell crypto perpetual with sub millisecond speeds, place limit order to earn back fees from negative maker fees rebate. So here you will be getting an option, that is once you place a limit order you will be also earning back fees for that using negative maker fee rebate strategy. As well as you can invest. Here you can choose from variety of options that are available, that is you can choose elite and verified strategies. And you can browse pro trader, review their track record and invest and share their wins, which is also a great copy trading option that is available. Here you will be having professional trader with nearly 5 years of option track record, managed in partnership with a global trading team of 40 plus years of experience, that is market making, delta neutral, or all the strategies that are available. And also that is here you will be having AI driven trading strategies available, that is 3 years track record of 70% plus APY, that is B cube AI, that you can also invest in. And also will be earning passive income just by inviting your friend, that is invite a friend and earn from 10 to 25% commission on their trading fees. Even better, earn GRVT points every time they trade, deposit and invest. So these are all the benefits that you are getting with Gravity. As well as you can trade with speed and privacy, as I already told that they are built on top of ZK technology. Here you will be getting 2 millisecond speed and also complete privacy of your data on chain, as it is an DEX that is perpetual with lightning speed and verifiable cryptographic proof. Spot and options are also later coming soon. So this is also something really cool that you can try it out right now. And also they are utilizing TradingView technology to display price chart, which is something really cool. And your asset is 100% yours, as it is a complete desk, that is you can connect via your private keys as well, or you can simply sign up with your email. Both are sufficiently secure. And also good thing is that here you can invest in Gravity liquidity provider strategy that can give you up to 50% return with 7.6 Sharpie ratio, managed in partnership with veteran global trader team with over 40 plus years of experience. So this is something really great benefits that you are getting. And also you can browse through curated verified manager, that is prime strategies with professional trading experience recognized in their field, KYB verified advanced market insights. And also earn more beyond your investment, that is every investment count toward your weekly Gravity points. Invest, earn, repeat, gain faster with surprise early boost windows. Here you will be also getting very every weekly rewards for your trading activity, which is also a great move. That is money moves made easier. And also you can download their gravity app for iOS as well as Android. And also security and compliance are measured and verified by NCC group and Spearbait. And also they are backed with 40 plus industry leaders. So this is something really cool that I personally think you should check this out once. And also in order to get started, it is really simple. Just sign up with your email, and then you can also use that email to log in. Or else if you are using MetaMask, you can simply connect your wallet as well. So this is how the app will be looking after signing up and logging in order to deposit, just click on this deposit button, and you can deposit from exchanges, or you can connect your wallet as well. You can deposit USDT via, and you can select or any of the network of your choice, that is such as Arbitrum 1, Base, BNB, Polygon, Solana, and it will be usually taking like 5 minutes. And so that is how simply you can get started with trading, and you can add and you can place your order from the right side. And in order to invest and earn passive income, you can just visit out there invest tab, and here you can check out all the strategies that are available. As you can see, this here is GLP, that is gravity liquidity provider strategy, that is having an APY of 16.68%, which is something really cool. So you can invest in this strategy easily, just entering the amount you are interested in earning, and then just click on invest. And that is how simply you can invest in any of the strategies that they are providing. And also if you are interested in browsing other strategies, then just check this out from here. There are lots and lots of strategies that are available that you can invest from. And also if you are interested in earning 11% APY, just follow all the steps. That is first up, that is deposit and transfer to your trading account and earn up to 11% interest. That is also you will be earning 3.5% on USDT. That is earn value trade, unlock 11.00% APY, earn interest on balance used for trading, unlock 3.5% interest when you make 5 trades every weekly epoch cycle, boost by 6.50% interest. That is when you hit trading volume, boost by 1% interest when you invite new friend every cycle. So this is how this works. You will be unlocking more and more interest, that is unlock 3.5% after you make 5 trades by the date that they have mentioned. Boost, which will be qualified after trade 50k to 300k in volume. And also boost by 1% will be allowed, that is invite one new friend every cycle. So this will be allowing you to get a 1% boost. So this is how you will be earning passive income as well. And you can track out your portfolio from here, that is all the cash, investment, perp, available balance, positions, and all your investment, cash earnings. And also you can check out the reward section. Here you will be earning reward, that is GRVT airdrop, that is season 2 is currently live. That is points boost, trade 5 3x, alts 2x. So you will be earning 3x on TradeFi assets and 2x on alts that such as non-BTC, ETH, Sol, etc. So these are the ways to earn point, trade, hold, open interest, and provide liquidity, deposit capital, refer friend, earn points on liquidation. So this is how you will be earning points. The higher you rank, the more points you will be gathering. And also you can participate in their competition that are ongoing, such as currently there is an ongoing competition of age of AI liquidity, earn a share of $20,000. You can participate in this and increase your volume. And the more higher you rank, the more volume you gather, the more rewards you will be acquiring in the competition. And also you can do demo trading and also use their API docs for connecting API with your trading bots. So this is how the Gravity exchange works. So this is an upcoming exchange that is having a great potential for upcoming airdrop as well. You can make good amount of money by participating in their early adoption of airdrop as well. So that is all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.